What is up everyone, it's Sam here and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a review on Latium.org. So if you don't know what Latium.org is, Latium.org is an online website where you can actually make money, and this really pretty legit, and you can make a huge amount of money there, and you can make aside just a little bit of an amount if you need it. So let's get started. So after, if you already have an account, or after you have created your account, uh, you'll see that there are many projects in here, so you can choose from newest, first, reward, highest. Okay, so let's just see what is the maximum reward right now. That's 2,500 US dollars. So you can actually just buy your own car from this one project. You complete that project, you buy your own car. So there are many offers there are many big offers, but there are also some small offers that just give you something like 0.15 US dollars. And sometimes these guys actually pay you in Ethereum, they pay you in Bitcoin, in cryptocurrencies, instead of money, which is a really big plus, because you can actually convert those cryptocurrencies or store them or invest more in cryptocurrencies. So yeah, you can see that all this offers 650, 700, 500. I know there are small offers for smaller tasks, and the only bad thing here is that if you aren't verified, you're not gonna get as much offers, and you are not gonna get many offers as a verified person. And yeah, because just look at this offer. Let's see verified only. You have to be verified to do this offer. So guys, for example, we have this survey right here. It's paying 71 to 142 US dollars, and it's asking how are you dealing with COVID-19 pandemic. So this actually just general knowledge. Anyone can do this. You don't need any skills. So the instruction is please give specific answers to the survey. So this kind of easy. You just have to describe the situation that you're in right now, and then you place your bid. And then you'll be done with it. So what I really think about the Latium.org website, guys, I think that this is a really good chance for us to make use of our quarantine. If you work every day, you would just do this for an hour, something like that. Just take out an hour out of your day, and then you can literally just start making this little bit or amount of money online if you're not verified. But if you do get verified, you can get bigger offers, and you can actually get many offers, so that'd be better. And yeah, so I think that this website is really good for income, passive income, because you didn't really have to work that much for it. So I feel like you guys should try it out. Use the link in the description to sign up. And that's all from me today. It's been Sam, and I'm out.